Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm an Avista customer. I recently had Avista's free home energy audit done on my older home. It showed me specific areas in my house where I was using a lot of energy, which helped me decide what projects I wanted to tackle. Since 40 to 60% of a home's energy use is used for heating and cooling, I decided to tackle my single-pane windows. They were super drafty, so I was basically sending my energy dollars out the window. There are options for addressing windows. You can fix your old ones, add storm windows, or, like me, choose to invest in new ones. Avista offers a window rebate that can offset some of the costs. Placing windows was not a typical do-it-yourself job for me. So, I followed Avista's advice and reached out to 3 licensed contractors to get quotes for new windows and installation. I picked the one who best fit my needs and budget. Now that my new ones are installed, the drafts that were causing me so many problems are gone. And when the weather is nice, I can open them and let in fresh air too. My home is so much more comfortable. I'm really looking forward to seeing how my energy use changes this coming year. For more projects like this that can help you save energy, visit myavista.com/energy tips.